Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Appify. So today in this video I'll show you how to log in TikTok account. So without getting further delay, let's jump into our video. First of all, open up TikTok app. It will show you this kind of interface. Here tap on login button as shown here. It will open up this kind of interface. Here you can log in with your phone number, email, username. You can continue with Facebook, Apple ID, Google, Twitter, Instagram, with whichever account you have signed up. So I have signed up with my Yahoo ID. So let me tap on use phone, email and username option. Tap on it. Next, tap on email or username. And here enter your username or enter your email ID. Once you are done with entering your email ID, click on continue button. Here either enter your code or click on login with password. And here enter your password. As you are done with entering your password, click on continue button. So as you can see that you have successfully logged in TikTok account. So that is it for today. If you guys like this video, do not forget to like, comment and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.